Are you a new or soon-to-be high school graduate with an interest in all things automotive? Or perhaps you're about to wrap up a stint in the military with a specialty in mechanics? Either way, the Gwatney Automotive Apprentice Program, or GAP for short, is the perfect vehicle to perfect your skills with vehicles. This unique opportunity provides a paid path to a rewarding career as either an automotive mechanical or collision repair technician. And the best part is, a GAP apprentice enrolled in this hands-on program gets paid every step of the way towards becoming a full-fledged certified technician. Working in phases, GAP apprentices build a solid foundation of knowledge on everything from passenger cars to diesel trucks. GAP apprentices enrolled on the collision side gain a full understanding of auto body repair, from welding to painting. The GAP program assists in the purchase of tools as well by funding a tool budget in addition to the apprentice's hourly wage. With 2 dealership service centers and 3 collision repair facilities, this opportunity is right around the corner, no matter where you live in Central Arkansas. From apprentice to technician, it pays to enroll in the Gwatney Automotive Apprentice Program. See GwatneyJobs.com for more information.